Hi everyone, today I'm happy to introduce our latest application to the smartwatch health dashboard. In our quest to create a product that seamlessly blends functionalities with user convenience, we chose React Native as our coding language. React Native allows us to build an efficient cross-platform applications that delivers a smooth native-like experience. But what's more important is that we understand that no program can be developed really well in just one development period. And that's why we chose React Native, for it contains a lot of development tools that will allow us to build an iterative development project. Okay, back to the whole part. Let's move to the home screen. Our journey began with the home screen. This is where you are greeted with the overview of the application. Designed to be welcoming and informative, we have strategically placed links here to guide you effortlessly to other screens, saving you time and enhancing your experience. It's all about convenience and accessibilities. The following I will show the manipulations to use the link. Click import, then you will go to the input screen. Click Q&A, you will go to the Q&A screen. Okay, let's move to the next screen. The next screen is the input screen. This feature-rich environment is where you can import specific patient data or your personal health metrics. It caters to both individual user monitoring their health and healthcare professionals managing patient records. This interface is straightforward and user-friendly, simplifying the process of data entry, setting goals, and applying filters to tailor your experience. As you can see, we use 0 up 1 line as an example. Then we have the hand screen. It's a hand bubble. If you think the hand bubble covers something that you want to say behind it, you can just drop it. And the next one is a clear objective. This section will allow you to filter your data. In this example, we use calories to filter our data. The hand bubbles tool to tell user about what sense behind the clear objective. Now is a sample demo. We didn't give any specific text on the hand bubble, since the professor didn't give us a specific requirement. So we just build it based on our idea. Okay, let's move to the next one is a fill and hide data range. You can click it, then it will open calendars. You can select data you want to select, and click and close it. The next one is enter the number of data points. Let's use 3 as an example. Others item you want to search, just choose answer you want to use. Since it's a demo, so some functions make no sense. But I mean, we leave this section because we want to, if the professor asks us to do a further development, we will add more specific filters in this part. So that's why we use other items you want to search. Okay, when you select all of data you want to use, then just press here. Then we will move to the result screen. This is where the metric of data transforms into meaningful insights. It presents a comprehensive analysis of your inputs, showing casing metrics like average wear and the total data match. This screen is a powerful tool for integrating health trends and making informed decisions, beneficial for both personal health tracking and clinical assessments. As you can see, we also use a pie chart to give a better understanding to the user. We let user to understand the data we want to present for the user. If user think they want to change the input, just click the adjust your input button, and they will back to the input screen. And if the user think they are satisfied with the data result and they want to save it, just click download PDF. Then a PDF file will be downloaded. This PDF file contains is all about the quality summary and static diagnostics. Okay, let's move to the last screen. The last screen is Q&A screen. The Q&A screen is your go-to resource for inquiries and supports. Here you will find answers to common questions and guidance on making the most of the app. Is an invaluable tool for troubleshooting and learning. Plus, we welcome user questions and feedback, which our dedicated team is always ready to address. As you can see, when you contact us in here, and actually it is a link since the phone is not real. So if you click it, that will make no sense. But if you use a real phone, instead the function will make sense and lead you to the the one who will help you to address your questions. You can ask any question here, like what, blah blah, then submit. You can say this is your questions. Then if we set it administrator, then he will give his answers to the user. And this part is used by the administrator to give an answer to the user. And the user can also provide feedback to our project, to our application, like blah blah. Then submitted, it will give users that what kind of content they are input to this input component, and this content will also be sent it to the administrator to make the administrator to say. Okay, that's 4 screen. That's all screen, and we made 4 screen for our application, and that's all for this narrated presentation. Thank you for your time and patience to listen. That's all.